बोडोलैंड विश्वविद्यालय में स्वागत करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं। हमारा ये भाग्य है कि एबीएसयू ने बोडोलैंड यूनिवर्सिटी को एक वेन्यू चुना और सारे हमारे एबीएसयू के मेंबर्स आज इस विश्वविद्यालय में हैं। ये बहुत ही हमने विश्वविद्यालय को आपने गौरवान्वित किया और हमें इस लायक समझा कि हम अगला जो है 57th एनुअल कॉन्फ्रेंस जो है ये आपने यहाँ करने का सोचा। गर्मी है, मैं समझ सकता हूँ हालत सभी का, लेकिन कुछ चीज़ मैं मेरे साथियों को बताना चाहूँगा कि उपेंद्र नाथ ब्रह्मा जी ने हमारे समाज के लिए बहुत कुछ किया, हमें रास्ता दिखाया, यूनिटी का दिखाया, प्रोस्पेक्ट कैसे होना है, प्रोग्रेस कैसे करना है, उसका रास्ता बताया और संघर्ष का रास्ता बताया कि अगर राइट नहीं मिलता है तो हम संघर्ष भी करके अपना राइट ले लेंगे। सो ऑल दोज पाथ्स वर डिक्टेटेड, वर shown by Bodofa, for which the Bodoland people are very much indebted to our father, and at the young age our Bodofa ji he went to heaven, and at the moment he could have been in the age of 70s and he could have directed us more positively in the rest of the life. But anyhow, we lost the great figure of Bodoland, so we really are indebted, we really are grateful to our great leader. Without ABSU, this university could not have existed. It is the contribution of ABSU which have made this university Bodoland University. I am grateful to Dipen Boroji, and President of ABSU, and Khanindra Basumetri ji, General Secretary, who have been kind enough to bring the entire executive members and the general members, all respected guests, to this university. And I welcome all of you. Friends, now our father has done a lot for us. Now it is our duty to carry forward his directions, his messages. And those can be done by our effort, by our hard work, by our unity, integrity, our dedication. You see, if I talk about my state, Rajasthan, from where I have come to this place, and you have kindly accepted me as Vice Chancellor of this university. So we have two tribal communities. One is Meena, another is Bhil. So Meena community, they have worked very fastly. They try to adopt themselves in the surroundings at the national level, at the international level. There is a small village so-called Bamanwas in Swaip, Madhopur district. This village is having 75 houses of ST tribal people, and out of 75, there are 150 IAS, IPS, Rajasthan Administrative Service officers. There is healthy competitions within the family, within the village, within the relatives. Community contribution is lot. Even if there are two sisters, two brothers, they will compete with each other. They will not drag each other. They will compete with each other. Society will compete. And that we should have also in this Bodoland. Our main purpose now is to grab the highest positions in administration, in scientific bodies, in governing bodies of the government of India. We want that our Bodo people, they should get the hold of key positions in India. And this will only come when our students, when our union, they all go in unidirectional, with full force, with full dedication, with full inspiration, support from the families, support from the society, support from the union, support from the educational institutes also. As a Vice Chancellor, it is our duty to provide the best possible education to our beloved students. They have full right. I don't want that even a single person from my Bodoland should go in private university like USTM or others where they are paying huge money. We want that we should have all the branches of study in Bodoland University itself, for which I kindly request President of ABSU to help us in this matter so that we can have the positions, we can open the new departments. Friends, sometimes while doing the hard work, while doing the work with the full honesty, you earn bad name also. The recent example for 5 days, which you may be listening in the TV, there was some book purchasing problem, and name of B.L. Ahuja was projected in that book problem. Those purchasing were made in 2019 and 20, when I was serving somewhere else. Now they took my name as B.L. Ahuja, Vice Chancellor of Bodoland University, and they projected it day and night. So such type of harassment we have to follow in life. People, they will not leave you. No one will honor you. You have to earn the honor from yourself. So have the cordial environment, have the honesty level, have the dedication level in such a way so that if you appear somewhere in any interview, if say this is from Bodoland University or this is the person of Bodoland, you are selected. No one will ask any question. This type of situation is there in so many jobs also. So for example, in military services, if someone says, I am from Sikar district and Jat, immediately they will not interview him, they will simply say you are selected in the army. They have won that reputation, they have earned that reputation. What my humble request is, through ABSU, through university teachers, through students, student unions, our student union is also working very hard. BTC is giving a lot of support to the university. Whatever we are demanding, Honorable CEM Pramod Bodoji, he is granting as such. The latest example is the auditorium where we will have this meeting. So this is built by the BTC and given to very kindly to the university for the use of public of the Bodoland. It's not university property, this is general property, and it is our duty to safeguard this property also so that we can have the constructive use of this property for a long time. Friends, only hard work, dedication, and our own will can only help us. Please be honest in your life. To my students, please be honest in your life. You will get everything in your life. God will give you. चप्पल फाड़ के देता है, अपने आप आता है. लूटने खसोटने का या किसी कहीं भी हेरा फेरी करने की कुछ भी जरूरत नहीं है. ईमानदारी से काम करो. जिंदगी में 4 पैसे की भी रिश्वत मत लो, रिश्वत मत दो. एक ऑनेस्ट इन्वायरमेंट होना चाहिए, क्योंकि इंडिया में सबसे पहले जब हम बाहर जाते हैं, पीपल से यू आर फ्रॉम इंडिया. Very greedy, very corrupt country. This is our impression in foreign countries. Why we are having this impression? At least we should say we are from Bodoland. Bodoland means it guarantees honesty, dedication, hard work, and intelligence, dynamicness, strength. So that symbol of the Bodoland we should have among the society. With all these words, and why once again show my indebtedness to all my colleagues, all my ABSU members who have very kindly present in this institute. Our Registrar Sahab has arranged lunch also and other facility we will provide as much as possible. Thank you very much.